Hello friends, welcome to my channel Megha's English Galaxy. My name is Megha and today I am going to share my English learning journey with you, and I hope by sharing my journey I can motivate you to start your own journey. So let us start. So friends, when I started some time ago, I used to feel apprehensive whenever someone more confident, or you can say more experienced, stood in front of me. I felt like I was lacking confidence, but deep inside I knew that I really wanted to improve myself, and that feeling kept motivating me. But you know what? Being a married woman, I wear many hats, so it was difficult for me to manage time for myself. But then I realized one important thing: if you don't make time for yourself or for your growth, no one else do it for you. And that one thought changed everything for me, and I decided to make the best use of the small moments in my day. Like while cooking, while traveling, while doing dishes, I would just put in earbuds and listen to English content. So, in that way, listening has helped me the most, and whatever I listen, I still practice every day. So, friends, my advice is if you really want to improve your speaking or your communication skills, stop wasting your time on unnecessary things like scrolling through your phone, watching reels, and start focusing on learning. You can invest your time in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. For me, listening is easier because I have limited time and I rarely get time for reading and writing. So, these two skills take a back seat in my case, and my advice is if you don't have time for reading and writing, don't force yourself. Do whatever you feel interesting, because in that way you would develop a small liking for the language, and I feel that is the most important thing for learning any language. So friends, if you want to grow with me and learn together, please subscribe to my channel and join me on this journey. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.